Hey guys, rise and shine.
Hello everybody, good morning. So today we are going on a trip to Nubra. This is like a cousin's trip and this I think is our first cousin's trip and it's going to be really exciting. We're just going to go pick everybody up.
Let's go guys. Let's go and pick everyone up, and in total there are around 10 people and 3 cars. Let's go. This is Yangdol and that is Zasal, and you know Manjit from the previous vlogs. Guys, the views are just amazing. You can see these are all fresh. So guys, right now Khardong is around 10 kilometers from here, and right now we are giving Rasta to the army trucks. There are like 15 or 20 trucks coming, so we're giving them set.
We have reached Khardongla top. Finally, it took us around an hour.
And the temperature outside is 3 degrees Celsius. It's pretty cool, even though it's mid-summer.
And it's very, very crowded.
And in that gypsy, we have Jikpalle and Chusdanle enjoying themselves. Le Nubra road में under construction दुगल पूरा तबाह चुस दुगल है, लेकिन in the coming years माँ क्या लाचंगे road तरक्की तो पूरा टाइल वेल तंदु क्या लेता है माँ दिमाग छोड़ तो in the future around 1-2 साल के बाद घंटा नीच शिनाले बगाले Nubra आराम से। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो पूरा टाइल लगाया हुआ है यहाँ पे नया, very nice, smooth ride and the views are just amazing.
Very good driver. So we are here at Khardong and this is what we ordered. We ordered Maggi and chai and it goes perfectly with this weather.
Ta sama chai na Maggi dondugale habshigun mein stock se dukle. So guys, we came here to enjoy some tea with this beautiful view. So bula we are done with our snacks. This is Karma and you guys already know him, Mangal. So right now we are done and we'll leave. We'll hit the road again. Let's go. So guys, यहाँ पे फिर से रास्ता बंद है. So guys, we're at bonfire to have some lunch. Zasal. Tene igun thalbe anu to gale gypsy kya baat ukste. Ramane ale duntang ma jimpo so ale. Deta natang रे स्टे पे काची नहीं आले स्टे ऊंचा. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं उनका पजामा नीचे आने ही वाला है. It's only a matter of time we'll be able to see his underwear. याले तेने ताले तो आले कर्मा इंजरसा यहाँ तो कर सभी की रिव्यू तेने आले याले ते मालिक ले याले तकसा चाप बुत से आले नी तेने माने आले ता भाई का जनलोब्स में ता या बिस्तार फिंगले अजय का दुख सो दयाले लोकेशन मिंग बोनो कर्मा इन्याले तेन माने होटल तो शिक दुख मुर्गाले माने पैलेस जन चीज नगाले देखो कजु शिक सोले कालेप्ते
माने it's a miracle, it's another wonder of the world.
याले तने योंग नाई का अश्को दयाले ये डिस्क्रिप्शन है ना जगह होते हैं ले so guys the place where we are staying is Karmayan and it's a very beautiful property. I would highly recommend you guys to come here. Guys, अभी everyone is waiting for their कमरे का चाबी. सबको एक कमरा मिलेगा, सब अकेले से. Right now we're at Pebbles, and this resort belongs to Zasalne, and we're here to have some water, and then we'll leave for Artisan Bazaar, which is
So they're making teams for volleyball.
Bike पर चेक करूँगी समय का आऊँ चल जाओ तुम्हें हम इसका सेम है
जल्दी टीम बनाओ. So very serious match happening. You net చూస్తే నా బైక్ పో. Run. Catch. Refreshment break. Abhi score is that 6-3. And the athletes need some energy.
we won. You won, bro. Best of 3.
So we have just reached Artisan Bazaar, which is right beside Hotel Karma Inn.
ये sama dontan ne dikare. Chin entadle. Veg cutlet ni so de ane doktor. इन्होंने मम्पो ने तो काले. बस तो जिम डाइट तो काले.
Guys, meet our new member, Panther.
Good morning, guys. This is the next morning. We're gonna go for swimming, and then Kunsul will tell us
The plans.
We're gonna have lunch, and then go to sand dunes. We're going to sand dunes, and then there we're gonna have lunch. Lots of fun! Yay!
And this is our venue for breakfast. We're waiting for our breakfast right now.
And our nono.
And the weather is so sunny. On your mark, set, go! Getting ready.
So we have reached sand dunes. Now we are looking for a spot.
Guys, nono se bike start नहीं हो रहा है. जब तुम bike full जाओ, bike full जाना मेरे को.
Hi. Sir, we have stopped at Biscuit to get some good food.
Bagged
lunch.
from Lhasa restaurant.
Right now, me and Zasal came to Chisholm.
Diskit Monastery.
Diskit Monastery, while the food is being prepared at Lhasa restaurant in Diskit, and I'll show you guys the statue. So that is the beautiful statue of
Maitreya Buddha.
Maitreya Buddha. It's very pretty.
Which translates to the future Buddha.
Yeah, and that is the monastery, also very pretty. And yeah, let's go.
So we got our lunch. We got it packed from this restaurant called Lhasa, and we got a lot of food. Now we're just getting some disposable cups and plates, and then we're gonna head to sand dunes for a picnic. Chichos then? We have reached the famous Phurugone Bago. It looks humongous. So not a lot of people will, come over here because this is like one of the secret places.
Breakfast like breakfast
We're going to Sumur. Bye.
So we just had breakfast and now we're gonna go pack and leave for Sumur.
So guys, right now we are going towards Sumur, and Achil is in another car. They are coming.
Sumur right now, and we've reached Tirit, so I think we'll be there in like 15 or 20 more minutes. And views are just
amazing.
This is so pretty. Yangdol, where are we?
Yavar, guys, do visit.
We are here for lunch. So we just had lunch right now, and now we're just exploring around and chilling basically.
Now we're at the Kyagar, and this place is very big and it's very pretty.
So we are here at the sand dunes in Sumur, and I don't know what they're doing. They're smooth tangga.
Marathi style.
Backstroke.
Yeah, back.
Back. So we came here at Sumur ka sand dunes to swim in the river, and it was pretty refreshing.
Very cold. We actually wanted to go, but it was so cold we didn't go. And our next stop is the Wishing Pond. So we're gonna visit that.
I hope you guys are enjoying our vlog.
So the like somewhere here between these mountains. Oh, injury. We are going to do a little bit of trekking because the the wishing pond, is between these mountains. So guys, the it said that if you wish for anything, it comes true. It's like not a proper road, you just have to figure it out, I guess. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this mountain. It's so pretty. We are literally walking in the middle of nowhere. The landscape is breathtaking. And right now we're just going towards the pond. There's a lot of stories about this pond, and like the source of the water is unknown and everything.
This place feels out of the world, and you can see I've got tanned very much. No worries, all of this is temporary. We're about to reach the wishing pond, I guess. Guys, the pond is visible. There it is.
So this is the Tso, and it is said that the reflection of the monastery Potala, which is in Tibet, can be seen here. And also one more mysterious thing is the source of the water is unknown.
Everyone, make your wishes and hope for them to come true.
Lake is magical, very pretty.
Manchkit!
So guys, तो अब हम वापस जा रहे हैं. कल सुनते ना चले.
We are going to Hot Spring, which is in Panamik.
Panamik.
Which is 5 kilometers from here.
And we'll take a dip in the hot spring water.
I found a stone for like keepsake memory.
So guys, we've arrived at the hot spring, and now we'll all take a bath here. Wow! Guys, look at it. Oh! This is the hot spring. The water is boiling. Ah! Ah! Jannat, guys. This is Jannat. Guys, these guys are not coming because it's too hot for them. But for me, it's perfect. It's so hot. Whoa. Yeah, chale. Kulam, kulam.
So, we have ordered some food. We ordered some Maggi and tea, and we're gonna eat.
Stay. Pele tang gale. Karele. So guys, right now we are done with the hot spring, and now we are heading towards Kunsel's aunt's house, Abilay's house, and the experience was just amazing. It was very nice. So right now we are heading back. Let's go. And guys, this is the view we are enjoying.
So this is our last dinner, and
Next dinner in Pangong.
in Nubra last dinner, and everybody looks exhausted. And that's it for tonight. Good night.
So guys, again we came to this beautiful hot spring to take a night dip while stargazing. Oh ho! Oh, Chigra yale tamani. देखो दुगो छुदा मी गले छत पाउस्ते meaning माने perfect temperature रखले फिलो दिसम न कोई साउंड नो यो दुख चुकलो बस देख गानी का लोन इसकी चिरा Yes, we are done with our bath.
Now we are heading back to Sumur.
Yes, it was
Sumur Camp,
amazing.
Mystic Meadows.
We were sitting there for around 20 minutes and stargazing. It was amazing, guys. And the water is super hot.
Super hot, just like us.
So let's
Yahi
head back
confidence
now
hai hamesha life
and
mein.
let's go.
We came to Osekhar, which is Youngdol's grandparents' place, and we just had our breakfast here.
It was very tasty. And now we'll leave for Pangong Lake.
And Vangyal and Kunsel's first time, so it's very exciting for them because it's mesmerizing. Just exploring Youngdol's Purana home, Purana Khampa. Timing na flex siya, no?
Yeah, le, tenang tila itang dugale. Samay.
No, tam tas na yun.
Dal sodam.
Home streaming ko chino mo lazat. Sonam chuski de khampale. Oh, sonam chuski de.
Ina pengo ek hai
The
dunya.
bonfire right now. How was the trip, boys?
Very memorable.
Loved it.
So guys, we were going back to Leh and we found this spot. Oh my god. This is magical.
Yeah. Amal, lili tu ara. Kare piang stick po.
Wow.
Orange color tube yaar.
Skarma macha.